Have you ever wondered how some people always seem ahead when it comes to technology? They adapt fast, master new tools, and land the best opportunities, while others struggle to keep up. The truth is, boosting your tech skills isn't about luck. It's about building the proper habits and using innovative strategies. Before we continue, make sure to push the subscribe button for more simple, powerful tips on personal growth, learning, and success. Now, let's explore the top ways to grow your tech skills in 2025 and beyond. 1. Make learning a daily habit. The world of technology changes almost daily. To stay ahead, you must continue learning. That means taking courses, watching tutorials, and reading about the latest tools. Websites like Coursera or Udemy are great places to start. Even if you spend just 30 minutes a day, the knowledge adds up fast. Remember, learning is not a one-time event. It's a habit that keeps you sharp and competitive. 2. Learn by doing real projects. Reading books or watching videos is excellent, but the best way to learn is actually to do something with your skills. Try building your own projects, like creating a website, a mobile app, or even a simple tool that makes your life easier. Another great option is joining open-source projects online. Not only will you practice your skills, but you'll also meet other developers and maybe even get noticed by employers. Real experience is always more powerful than theory. 3. Follow experts and mentors. One of the fastest ways to learn is to follow people who are already experts in the field. Look for them on LinkedIn, YouTube, or podcasts. Many share free advice, insights, and tips about the latest trends in tech. When you learn from their journey, you avoid mistakes and discover more effective ways to move forward. Connect with a mentor who can provide personalized guidance. Their advice could save you years of trial and error. 4. Focus on one area first. Technology is huge. There are artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data science, and many more. Trying to learn everything at once will only leave you confused and overwhelmed. Pick one area that excites you and go deep into it. For example, if you enjoy solving puzzles, cybersecurity may be a good fit for you. If you're looking for creative problem solving, AI or app development is the way to go. Specializing makes you more valuable and opens doors to better opportunities. 5. Use AI as a learning partner. We live in a fantastic time where tools like ChatGPT and other AI platforms can speed up your learning. These tools can help explain challenging concepts, aid in debugging your code, or even provide new project ideas. Instead of struggling alone, use AI as your study buddy. It's like having a teacher available 24/7. It doesn't replace learning, but it makes the journey smoother and faster. 6. Connect with tech communities. Learning alone can get boring, and sometimes you lose motivation. That's why joining communities is so powerful. You can meet other learners, share your progress, ask for help, and even collaborate on projects. Look for tech meetups in your city or online groups like Reddit forums, Discord servers, or specialized Slack groups. The more you connect with like-minded people, the faster you'll grow. 7. Read the docs. It may sound boring, but reading official documentation is one of the most powerful skills you can build. Most tech jobs require you to understand instructions and manuals for different tools. At first, it might feel overwhelming, but the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Being comfortable with documentation gives you confidence to work with almost any new tool or system. 8. Grow your soft skills too. It's not just about coding or building systems. To really stand out in tech, you also need strong soft skills, like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. Imagine you create a brilliant app, but you can't explain how it works to your boss or client. That limits your growth. Clear communication helps your technical skills shine. Therefore, focus on speaking clearly, listening attentively, and collaborating effectively with others. 9. Stay updated on tech trends. The tech world doesn't stand still. Just think about how fast AI has exploded in the past few years. To stay relevant, you need to keep an eye on the latest trends, like blockchain, Web 3.0, or quantum computing. You don't need to be an expert in every trend, but knowing what's coming keeps you ready to grab opportunities before others even notice them. Read blogs, watch industry videos, and follow tech news on a regular basis. Fast action steps. Now, let's turn this into action. Here are 3 quick steps you can start today. 1. Spend 1 hour learning daily. Block out 1 hour in your day to learn a new tech skill. It could be coding, reading, or practicing with a tutorial. Small, daily effort builds significant results. 2. Join a tech community. Find one online forum, Discord server, or local meetup group and join today. You'll learn faster and feel motivated by others on the same path. 3. Start a small project. Don't wait for the perfect time. Pick a simple project, like a personal website, a mobile app, or automating a task with Python. Projects make your learning real. Staying ahead in tech isn't about being the most intelligent person in the room. It's about staying curious, practicing daily, and using the right tools and habits. If you want to keep growing your mind, your skills, and your confidence, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Your future in tech starts with the choices you make today, so take action and keep learning.